Hi, Thomas Titans. My name is Mrs. Wilkinson, and I'm the Dean of Students.
Hey there, my name is Mrs. Jensen. I'm one of the assistant principals here at Thomas, and I wanted to say hello and welcome you to our Titan family.
Hi, I'm Will Giorgini, one of the assistant principals. I'd like to welcome you to the Titan family.
Hello, future Titans. Steve Severson here, principal of Dr. Claudia Thomas Middle School, where we're all about lifelong learning, collaboration, character, and leadership.
Hey Thomas Titans, my name is Miss Drew. I'm one of your school counselors at Thomas Middle School. Welcome to Thomas.
Hey Titans, I'm Mrs. Lago, one of the school counselors here at Thomas Middle School. We can't wait to see you this fall.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Love. I'm the school counselor here at Thomas Middle School, and we are here to do a quick orientation with you. So let's get masked up and get started.
Here at Thomas Middle School, we believe in the 4 pillars of student success. First is being a lifelong learner. Next is collaboration. Third is character, and fourth is leadership. We weave these different aspects of student success into our lessons here at Thomas and everything we do. It helps us to build our awesome Titan community. We have 5 Titan traits that we follow here at Thomas Middle School. We have our students be safe at all times, respectful, responsible, ready to learn, and compassionate. We remember these traits day in and day out when students are in classes, when they're walking the hallways, when they're playing in the gym, or participating in a club after school. These Titan traits help make our Titan community strong. You might be wondering, how is middle school different than elementary school? Well, there are a lot of differences, but one of the biggest differences is that you will have 6 classes with 6 different teachers. And I know you're used to having your one teacher and maybe some specialists. Well, now you're going to get to have 6 teachers. It might seem a little overwhelming, but actually it's pretty amazing. Each of your teachers are pretty much experts in the subject that they're teaching you, and they're super passionate about the subject matter, and so you're going to learn so much. Let's talk about what those classes are. You will have classes that are required, meaning you have to take these classes. Those classes are ELA, which stands for English Language Arts, reading and writing, math, science, social studies, and then you'll have a semester of PE. There are classes that you get to choose, meaning they're not required for you to take. You get to choose which elective classes you want to take. This could be classes that have to do with art, music, computers, leadership. They could be support classes. It could be AVID. There's tons of different choices. The next couple slides are going to talk about what are those elective choices that are available to you.
A great thing about being in middle school is being able to participate in school athletics. Here at Thomas Middle School and some of the other middle schools we have in our district, we have 4 athletic seasons. The first one is from September to October, and that's got boys soccer, girls fast pitch, and boys and girls cross country. The second season, which is winter 1, we have from November to January, and that's girls fast pitch and boys and girls wrestling. The following season, which is February to March, is boys basketball and girls soccer. And then the last season we have is April to June, and that's boys baseball, girls volleyball, and boys and girls track and tennis. So there's 3 things that you need to do if you want to do athletics here at the middle school. Is 1, you need to register on Skyward, and there's a whole bunch of forms Skyward at Family Access, as well as there's a nice web link right here to the page that gives you all that information. You need to provide proof of a current physical and have a $20 ASB card. Along with athletics, there's a whole bunch of other things for you to get involved with. So for example, we have clubs and activities and APN activities. And those include, but they're not limited to, action sports, Harry Potter club, anime, creative writing, robotics club. Pretty much, if it's something that you're really interested in, you can find a teacher who's going to set up a club for you. We also usually have like a scream team or a team that shows up for the events for the school and cheer and root on your classmates. But we want you to be involved and participate while you're here and create those memories while you're in middle school.
To give you an idea of what electives we have at Thomas Middle School, we'd like you to join our virtual elective fair. When you click on the link in the slide, it will take you to a YouTube playlist where you can watch short video descriptions of some of our elective classes. I say some because we have a lot of electives for you to choose from, but unfortunately we don't have a video for every class, so please keep that in mind. When you get to the next slide, it will take you to the elective request form. And this is where you tell us what electives you want to take next year. On the form, you will find short written descriptions of every class that we have here. Now that you've heard about some of the electives at Thomas, we want to know what classes you want to take next year. So in order to tell us what you want to take, you have to fill out the elective request form. So how do you fill out the form? When you go to the link, it will take you to the elective request form. The first 3 questions ask you about yourself. They're just fill in the blank answers. So you'll write in your student ID, your last name, and your first name. In the next question, you are going to tell us what class you want to take the most. This is your first choice. A few of the classes on this list are year-long electives: band, orchestra, and choir. If you choose the music electives, then that is your one elective for the whole year. If you choose any of the other electives, those are semester-long electives, meaning that you will have those classes for half the year. And we also want to know what class you want to take the other half of the year. So you'll be asked to choose 2 electives. The very last question asks you to fill out an alternative elective. So we have a lot of electives, but we also have a lot of students. And sometimes that means you don't get your first choice. And so if you don't get your first choice of elective, we want to know, what's your second choice? What's another class that you want to take? So please make sure you answer that last question as well. At the very end, when you're done with your survey, click submit, and that will send your responses to us so that we know what classes you want to take next year.